What's your name?
My name is Sabir Ahmad.
Where are you from?
I am from Shirazganj.
Oh, by the way, what's the meaning of your name?
Sabir means beautiful, and Ahmad means admiration.
Oh, that's great. Why Shirazganj is famous for?
Shirazganj famous for foods and handloom industry. Foods that's
What type of food you have there?
yeah,
Like biryani or any other food is famous
sweet traditionally sweet pantua.
there? Oh, sweet fantwa.
Yes.
Okay, I never tasted it. So if I have any chance or opportunity, if you invite me basically, then one day inshallah, I
Inshallah,
will go and
inshallah.
have the taste of such kind of foods inshallah.
Inshallah.
Okay, so do you have any dream?
Yes, I have many dreams.
You have many dreams.
Many dreams. I will a traveler. I will traveling around the world.
So you want to become a traveler to visit the world, to visit on your own eyes, and just to have the taste of creation of Almighty Allah. How beautiful Allah has decorated the world. So you want to have such kind of ideas and experience.
Yes, yes.
Okay, that's great. That yeah, as we can see nowadays, a lot of people around the world, they love to visit different kind of places.
Yes.
So which country you love most to go?
Basically, first I Saudi Arab.
You want to go Saudi Arabia.
Yes.
Any reason behind it?
Makkah and
Oh,
Medina. Their historical place here.
especially for the purpose of Holy Hajj,
Yes, yes,
and also Umrah as well.
yes.
Okay, so have you ever visited Saudi Arabia?
I visited
Oh, for which purpose?
for Umrah.
For Umrah.
Yes.
So, mashallah, you have already done your Umrah.
Mm,
So what is your experience from there?
My experience is very
You enjoyed a lot, and you just attended at the holy place to express your feeling and opinion to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.
yes.
And may Allah fulfill all your dreams there. Your dua He accept. Inshallah.
Yes,
Ameen.
Inshallah.
So tell me something about your dream. As you said that you want to become a Dai.
Yes.
So why do you want to become a Dai?
For Muslim Ummah.
To spread the message of Islam throughout the world. Do you have any idol to follow in Dawah field?
I follow Dr. Abdul Rahman As-Sumaid in Dawah field.
So can you tell me why do you follow him?
Dr. Abdul Rahman As-Sumaid, firstly, a Da'i. Secondly, he is donor. He gift poor and needy person.
He is very kind and helpful,
Yes.
and also he donate for the welfare of the ummah as well.
Yes. Yes.
Especially to the needy people
Yes.
around the world.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So it was lovely talking to you, and thank you for your time.
Yeah, yes.
Okay.
Thank you.